in depth. So today we are going to solve the LeetCode Weekly Contest 252, question number 1953, which is maximum number of weeks for which you can work. Okay, so let's see what this question is saying. So I will explain you in short. So this is an example. I will explain you through this. Okay, so the question is saying that you have a certain number of projects. Okay, it's saying you have the n projects numbered from 0 to n minus 1. And now you have given the array of milestones. So each project has certain milestones, means the first project is having zeroth project has having 1 milestone, the first project is having 2 milestones, the second project is having 3 milestones. So you have to find the maximum number of weeks in which you can do the project completely and you can do all the milestones. So if you are doing the milestone of second project in the first week, then you can't do the project of second project in the next week again, means there should not be consecutive. Here is it's written that every week you have to finish exactly 1 milestone of 1 project. You must work every week, and you cannot work on 2 milestones from the same project, which are from the same project. Means if you are taking the first project, then on the first week it should not be from that, and on the second week it should not be from that. These two should be different for 2 consecutive weeks. Okay, so now we will discuss the approach, and this question is very, very simple. When I will tell you the approach, you can write the code on your own. It won't not require even it would require you to see even my code. It's very easy. So let's discuss the approach. It's through greedy algorithm or the greedy method, but you don't need to know about that. It's very simple. Now I am telling you, you just listen to that. Okay, so we will take the second example. Second example is 5 to 1. Okay, so here it is. Five, 2 and 1. Okay, so our approach will be that we will complete the maximum milestones of the project. So what we will do, we will first find the project with the maximum number of milestones, and then we will try to cover that. And when we will try to cover that, we will increase the count or like that. So it will be our answer. So let's see what we have to do actually. So here are our 5 milestones. So here is your first milestone of the 5th. Here it is second. Here again there will be some other. Here will be 5, 3. And here will be some empty, and 5, 4. And then finally you have 5, 5. Okay, so now we can fill anything in these blanks. So let's see what we will fill. We can fill here 2, 1, here 2, 2, here we have 1, 0. Now we don't have anything to fill it here. Okay, so we can do our work till here only. So this will be our answer. Okay, so answer is our 7. So now what we will do, we will find the sum of the elements other than the maximum. So we will include this in our sum. So let's denote it by x. X is equals to 2 plus 1, which is nothing but the sum of the elements other than the maximum element. So how many 5 are we getting? Means how many maximum number are we getting after we have chosen this? So we will get how many maximum elements? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will get x plus 1 elements. We will get how many elements? X plus 1 elements. Hope this question is clear till now. Okay. So if our maximum element is greater than x plus 1, then what we have to return? How many elements will be there? So this is x. We have included this and this one in our x, and this is also x. Let me change the color to make it more clear. This is also x. This one, and this one. This is also equal to x, means there are also 3 elements. And here it is also 3 elements. And we are getting in 1 extra element. So what are we getting? We are getting in this condition x plus x and plus 1. So 2 times x plus 1. This is the number of elements we are getting. We will return this thing if this condition is true. Else means all the conditions are fulfilled, means all the gaps between the maximum elements are covered. If the condition is not like that, so we will just return the sum. It means we can do one project or one milestone per week. So we will return sum. Hope the approach is clear till now. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. I will surely reply it. Let's just have a look what we have understood till now, so that it becomes more clear. Okay, so what are we doing? Actually, we are finding x. X is the sum of elements other than the maximum element. X is this thing, and if x plus 1 and if our maximum element is greater than x plus 1, means there are some gaps remaining. So we will return 2 times x plus 1. Since x will be the number of elements between our maximum element values, and our maximum element values will also be equal to x. Their count will also be equal to x, and we will get an extra element after the last element of the numbers which are smaller than the maximum element. So here it is 1. We have added. And next, if the condition is not like that, it means then all the gaps are filled. So we can do the one milestone in 1 week. So we will just return sum. Okay. So I hope this is clear now. Let's write the code for it. Okay, so what are the variables we will need? We will need a variable for sum which will be equal to initially 0, and we can initialize x below the loop. Milestones dot size and we'll increment it, and here we will find the maximum element. So let's write int mx is equals to, here we are initializing it with -1, so we are updating every time our mx element with the current milestone element, milestones I. Okay, so here we are updating it and then we are including it in the sum. Milestones I. Okay. Now, what is the value of x? As I have told you, it is the sum of elements other than the maximum element. So, sum minus mx, as mx is the maximum element. So, or we can write it as long int. Sum of elements other than maximum element. Okay, so here is our x, and next we will check the condition. So if mx is greater than x plus 1, then we will return 2 times x plus 1, else we will return our sum. Okay, so let's run it. Submit. Okay, so yeah, it's submitted and it's the correct solution. Hope you like the video. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel so that you can get the regular updates of the video we upload. Thank you very much and bye bye.